Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a very long time since I recorded and uploaded, but you know, I live in Canada, so half of the year or the majority of the year is winter, so I'm not really going to be recording and uploading much stuff. But it's now spring. I'm going to be loading up my wheels into the car, gonna get them installed onto some tires, and then I will show you guys what the car will look like with the new wheel. So this is like my little storage room area where I keep most of my car parts. I have my genuine Wings West rear lip. It's literally beat the hell. Like, look at this. This thing needs to be really sanded down and prepped better. So I'll be switching lips maybe here and there just to change up the look. My Type S flush mount spoilers up here. I'll be installing it eventually this year along with the newer trunk, so I can drill holes into it to fit the spoiler. My Prelude trunk mat, this is very, very rare. I had this for literally years and I just have not installed it. I've just been so lazy to remove my subwoofer and put this on, but I'll get there eventually. But yeah, like all my car parts are here. This is like the wrap. Some of my parts are just chill underneath here. I got my Godspeed control arm underneath the trunk there, but I'll install everything eventually. So, but yeah, this is like my little storage area of my parts. Okay, it's been a few days since I recorded just because I did drop off my wheels. And sadly, the tires that I provided, so I provided Nitto Neogens. They were 215/40. And obviously I was going for a bit of more of a stretchier stance setup with my wheels. So my wheels are obviously 9 inches wide, and they told me that they weren't able to get them on just because with Nitto Neogens, the sidewall apparently is like way too like stiff. So I had to buy different size tires. So instead of 215/40, I went with 215/45, but they are Michelin Pilot Sports as they're a little bit easier to stretch. And I'm just like, you know what, they are one of the best tires out there on the market, so I might as well, you know, ball out and get some Michelin Pilot Sports, even though my Prelude does not even make enough power to even need Pilot Sports. But might as well have those tires. I had to drop another, you know, a little bit of money to buy some Pilot Sports just to get them on my freaking wheels, but it is what it is. But I got the call from the shop, so we're gonna go and pick up my wheels and see what they look like. Oh, so I got some bad news for the Prelude. She's leaking coolant now, so I gotta wait to find out what's wrong. I'm assuming it's from a hose or something, but right now, yeah, she's like dripping. So okay, we just pulled up to the shop. Let's go look at the wheels. Yo, the wheels is loaded up. Look at that, baby. Yo, I can't wait to put these bad boys on my Prelude, but not today. I'm a little too busy today, but that's what she looks like. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I kind of jumped ahead a little bit trying to figure out what was wrong with my car. It was actually leaking coolant, and I did find what was wrong with the car. Ouch. So basically the petcock for the radiator, it was loose. It was very, very, very loose. Gonna retop her up, and then hopefully she won't leak any more coolant, and hopefully it will not overheat in the future. But there's the one thing I want to show you. Those wheels are off. There's only two. That means I gotta show you. So the work Meisters are on now, finally. The 3-piece are on the Prelude. It looks so freaking nice. I can't wait to put her back on the ground. But yeah, I'm running, the new specs are 17 by 9 plus 41. And I'm running 215/45 Michelin Pilot Sports on these tires. I was initially supposed to run the Nido Neogens. I think I mentioned it a few days ago in the other video or the other clip. But yeah, the Nido Neogens don't stretch as much, so I had to opt for a different tire. And I was like, you know what? I'll go with the Pilot Sports. It's okay. They're one of the best tires on the market, and might as well rock the Michelin brand. So yeah, but this is what the current car looks like. The end keys are in the back. I'll probably only be doing just the fronts for today, just because I do have to modify the rear a little bit. But overall, the 3-piece wheels are finally on. Oh my god. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting on the can you see this, the Work Meister S1 sticker along with the Work Wheels sticker. So basically, from what I saw on the forums, is that the Work Meister ones kind of go where the valve stem is. So it's kind of like in between the K and the M. That's what I saw for the majority of the pictures. So I'm just gonna copy and kind of do the same. So I'm just gonna rotate the wheel here. Let's hope I don't mess this up on camera. So I got the Work Meister portion just right on there. So that's what's going for me. And then for the Work sticker, it's kind of going to go on the opposite of the valve stem. So kind of up here is where I'm gonna put mine. I think it's gonna go like just like this. Yeah. Well guys, the sticker didn't go on as planned. The S apparently ripped off in the corner, so it's only showing like half of the S. But overall, I mean, like, it's not too bad. I can't really notice it, but it's like slightly off. But just the S kind of tore off, which I was kind of sad about. But it's okay. I can always, it's just a sticker. I can always buy a new sticker. But anyways, this is the wheel. I'll probably clean up the tire too to make it look shiny, but oh man, this is nice. Oh my god, yo, I just lowered her and oh, she tight, bro. She tight. Oh wow. Yo, I'm for sure rubbing and scrubbing, dog. Damn, I gotta raise you a little bit, huh? Cause you tied up in here. That's touching. I'm gonna have to remove the fender line. That's touching. Oh my god. Sheesh. It's okay. Crazy fitment though. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I continued on until the next day. Before I put on the rear setup, I'm going to be removing the bumper and adjusting my coilovers because it's slightly uneven, so I kind of just want to get the suspension dialed in on the right height. But as you can see, this, oh, can I even focus? This piece right here is known as the bumper tab. Most people, what they do is they completely shave and cut this piece just so we can have more clearance for the wheels, and that's what I'm basically going to be doing. I'm going to remove the bumper and cut that tab off. I'm using a saw, so don't judge me, this is a Honda type stuff. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cutting at least kind of like a L-shaped here to kind of get rid of this big tab and kind of keep this a little bit minimal. Give her a good old sawing here. That should be okay halfway. Because I lost my Dremel, so I don't have a good clean cut. And I'm not gonna go out just to buy a Dremel just so I can cut plastic. But there. So I kind of got that little portion right here, so it's kind of cut into an L. Then I'm going to take a file and file this down so it's not so sharp. Now I might get a lot of hate. You know what? If it fits, it fits. And that's what I'm trying to do. Make it fit. If it fits, it's gonna fit. Let me give you a closer shot. That's what the tab kind of looks like. It's shaved off in the corner here, and then I'm kind of just trimming the excess here and see if that's enough clearance. The wheels are finally on. I just put them, finished putting on the rear, cleaned them up. Jeez, my phone's kind of dirty, but yeah. Oh, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. Yo, just like look at this, bro. It's pretty good back here. I don't think this tab's gonna hit, so I'll pray it doesn't. If it does, I guess I'll trim it off a little bit more, but it's not a problem because I'm rolled. So, but overall, this is, oh my God, dude, like it's tighter in the front, bro. Like I can't get my finger in there, bro. That fitment, bro. Oh man, that's nice.